Secret of Happiness Part 3. Hello everyone. Welcome back. I am Sahil, and we are watching Secret of Happiness Part 3. In Part 1, we fixed the mind. In Part 2, we fixed comparing ourselves with others. But today, we're going to talk about the most important thing, and that is our body. Tell me, if your laptop's fan is broken and the processor is overheating, will you be able to play the world's best game on it? No, right? It's bound to lag. Exactly like that. If your body has a vitamin deficiency or your stomach is upset, no matter how much you meditate, feeling happy is difficult. Sometimes you aren't depressed. You are just hungry. In English, it's called hungry plus angry equals hangry. So come on, let's hack this food and mood algorithm. Shall I tell you an awesome fact? We think the chemical of happiness, which we call serotonin, is produced in the brain. But science says that 90% to 95% of the serotonin in our body is produced in our stomach. Yes, you heard that right. Your stomach is called the second brain. So, what does that mean? If your gut is happy, your mind is happy. If you put junk food inside, there will be a glitch in the stomach. Serotonin production will crash, and the signal will go to the brain. Boss, system failed. In computer science, this is called garbage in, garbage out. If the input is pizza and Veda Pav, the output is definitely going to be laziness and irritation. So, what should one eat? I am not asking you to become a saint, but become a smart user. Point 1. Reduce sugar. When you eat too much sugar, blood glucose spikes, and half an hour later, it crashes. Then the irritation that follows. Oh, that's worth watching. It's like a bad server, sometimes up, sometimes down. Point 2. The role of vitamins, especially for vegetarians, vitamin B12 and vitamin D3. If you have a B12 deficiency, you will feel tired for no reason and your brain will feel foggy. And if vitamin D is low, mood swings happen. It's a simple thing. You can't expect the speed of a Ferrari by putting kerosene in the car instead of petrol. Sattvic and wholesome food like fresh fruits, nuts, leafy vegetables is high-octane fuel. Along with diet, it is necessary to update 2 more drivers. 1. Sleep. Sleep is our body system update and reboot time. If you aren't sleeping for 7 to 8 hours daily, the system is bound to run slow the next day. Point 2. Water. The brain is made up of 75% water. If dehydration happens, headache and low focus occur. So, keep yourself liquid cooled. If you want to stay happy, keep the body light. Has anyone ever felt energetic after a heavy meal? No, right? We go into a food coma. So friends, what was today's code? Healthy gut equals happy mind. Take a challenge for the next 7 days. Stop junk food, drink plenty of water, and stand in the gentle morning sunlight for 10 minutes for vitamin D. Watch your happiness automatically boot up. This was Part 3. Now remains the last part, Part 4. In that, we will search for the answer purpose of life. Like, subscribe.